Look at the things that have happened in the last 50 years. What are some of the greatest achievements of the last century? And a lot of them have to do with space. And the technology required for us to explore has found other uses here on Earth. So a lot of the technological achievements of the last 50 years are as a result of the money we spent trying to send people to the moon and send people out into space.
The knowledge, skills, and technologies developed to get us out there serve us well here on Earth. From modest conveniences to life-saving devices, space technology is an essential part of our lives, with literally astronomical returns on our investment. In medicine, transportation, communications, computer science, biology, aerospace, public safety, energy, agriculture, quality of life.
I mean, the list goes on and on. I mean, there have been tremendous technical developments far outweighing what we've spent on the space program. But to me, these things are secondary. I mean, this is a bonus. It's the thing itself that's so remarkable, the knowledge that we've gained about the universe.
Exploring the vastness of space demands innovative, new technologies. The journey continues to expand our abilities far beyond what many believed possible.
When you innovate, as you advance a space frontier, you create a culture of innovation in the nation that funds it. Other people say, hey, that's a really cool thing to do. I want to become an engineer too. I want to become a scientist just like you. And they start doing innovative things, whether or not it has to do with space.
The Space Technology Hall of Fame honors those who transform technologies originally developed for space exploration into the products and services that improve the quality of our lives on Earth. Cospas Sarsat. In 1979, the United States, France, Canada, and the Soviet Union agreed to jointly develop a worldwide, satellite-based search and rescue system. By 1985, that system, known as Cospas Sarsat, was fully operational. The first generation used low Earth orbit satellites to detect emergency signals and repeat them to ground stations where Doppler processing provided signal location. To improve signal location accuracy, NASA led an effort to incorporate search and rescue instruments on GPS satellites in mid-Earth orbit. This new distress alerting satellite system embedded the GPS location in the signal itself, eliminating Doppler calculation for faster ID and rescue. Today, more than 40 countries participate in Cospas Sarsat, making this a truly international effort. Since its inception, it has provided response to the over 1 million beacons in use worldwide and helped rescue more than 32,000 people. Cospas Sarsat, space technology saving lives on Earth. NeuroArm Symbis. When NASA invited Canada to join in the Space Shuttle program, a request for proposals for a Shuttle Remote Manipulator System, or SMRS, was answered by Spar Aerospace, now McDonnell, Detweiler & Associates. A $110 million development program by the National Research Council of Canada and NASA led to the first series SRMS, or Canadarm systems. Improvements led to Canadarm2, purpose-built to construct the International Space Station. In 2001, Endeavour delivered Canadarm2 to ISS, which to date has moved hundreds of tons of supplies, equipment, and astronauts in support of nearly 100 spacewalks. This was surpassed by the two-armed Special Purpose Dexterous Manipulator, or Dexter, which now performs maintenance and repairs and serves as a robotics concept test bed. Following this success, MDA was approached by Dr. Garnett Sutherland of the University of Calgary and Alberta Health Services to develop an image-guided robot for microsurgery. The result combined precision robotics and the human mind. In 2008, the first of more than 60 successful image-guided neurosurgical procedures was performed with the robot NeuroArm and the neurosurgeon manipulating from an adjacent control room. Today, IMRIS is creating the next generation, known as Symbis, and another inspiring chapter of space technology benefiting life on Earth. Tonight, we induct into the Space Technology Hall of Fame Kaspis Sarsat, NeuroArm Simbus,
I think one of the great services that the Space Foundation provides is honoring space technologies. I think it goes a long way to highlighting for the public things that I think people take for granted. I have these fantasies where you get some NASA skeptic, some space skeptic, and you sneak into their home in the dark of night, and you remove everything that had been inspired by space technologies. Don't tell them, right? And then they wake up and just see if they can survive a day in their technological impoverishment. I think we need constant reminders, otherwise you take things for granted. The Space Technology Hall of Fame is important in this effort.
The Space Foundation is proud to honor the people and organizations whose time and dedication successfully transform technologies originally developed for space into the applications that improve the quality of our lives on Earth.